wreaths for my decor for the 4th of July through Labor Day. Here's one of my colors. I love that red, white, and blue with silver ties. And then this one is a Deco mesh metallic with red ties. So this is a bigger one. I'm going to put it between my 2 garage doors, and I'll share all my decor with you when I get it done. I may go and show you a little bit of how this is done. If you'd like to know, let me know in the comments below. So this is a 21-inch mesh. What I'm going to do is just gather it together right here at the end, and then we'll use a cable tie to hold it to our wreath form. I've got a little clip here that I use to hold it. Get our cable tie out. I do it in the floor, it's a little bit easier on me. Okay, and I'm just going to put it between the wreath form. You can see there, hopefully you can. I'm just going to pull it through so it will, let's see here, stay where I need it to be. Stay. There we go. All right. So the method we're going to be using for this is called the bubble method. And this is a work mat, and I'm going to go out 10 inches. So from right here, 10 inches. So about right there. And I'm just going to attach it. And you know what? Put my clip right there because I didn't even cut my little, I'm going to use the red stems for this, and I'm going to see if just cutting them in half will be long enough. Because yesterday or the day before I did them in thirds, and it was not the right length, and I couldn't use them, but I will use them for something else, so that's okay. Let me see. I think this will be for this. Let me see here. You just take your mesh, lay it over top the middle 2 wire brackets, and then, yeah, that'll be good. And then you just slide it down as close as you can get it to that one. Now, when you first start out, your ruffles are going to be a lot big. You'll have a lot more, but after you get finished, you won't have as many in each section. Okay? And then when you get done tying it on there, you're going to just poof it out like that. Okay? So we'll do this and see what this looks like. Okay? I hope these little ties will work. These are from Dollar Tree. They actually carry some of the Deco mesh, and they actually carry the twist ties, and they also have the work wreaths like this sometimes. I ordered my Deco mesh from Craft Outlet. It's a wholesale place that you can get your supplies, and I use them because a lot of times, like this was $10. I mean, you can't beat that. And these wreaths are only like just a few dollars. So you won't have that much in a wreath, and I've paid over $50, $60 for a wreath before to have it done. So there's the second one. You see what I'm doing? Okay. Here's next bubble. Let me cut a few of these because I think they're do that. All right, there we go. All right. Just get another one here. There we go. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's hard to see without doing it over top. But you're just going to put it on top of those middle two wire brackets like this. The middle two. And you can even turn it over if you want to make it easier on yourself. And then you just twist them and twist them. And then you're going to slide it down. Get it as close as you can to that one. And like I said, the closer we get done to it, it won't take as many bubbles. Like this first section might take 4 or 5 or 6, whereas the last one might just take 2 or 3. Okay? Alright. Says, does that show you? Does that give you an idea what I'm doing? Okay. I'm just going to continue on, and you can watch. Family, this is the way it looks. It took me, I didn't time myself, but probably an hour, if that. And if you want to see more of these videos, let me know. I typically do them around major holidays. I don't do them for everything. But yeah, I'm going to put this one between my 2 garage doors. I think it'll look beautiful. So I will be taking pictures and posting what all my decor looks like. I'll be doing a front porch renovation summer makeover, so stay tuned for that. All right, here it is. Didn't take very long to do it all. It's got the blue on the bottom part, and then it goes into white, and the middle is red. What do you think? I love it.